Welcome to Pressure Crisp, everybody. My name is Lisa. I have a new taste tester, Aunt Ruth. She's sitting over there in the living room. Tonight we're going to be making a complete meal in the Ninja Foodi Grill. It's going to be a wild sockeye salmon, roasted potatoes with thyme and rosemary, and roasted asparagus. Aunts, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, tell them to come on over, just bring their appetite.
Come on over and bring your appetite, she said. I want to show you what we're using inside the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to be using the roasting pan and the air crisp basket, and of course the splatter shield is in. Go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to choose roast. We're going to turn it down to 350 and we're going to hit start. And right now it's just preheating. Tonight we're using these cute little yellow Yukon Gold potatoes. They're gorgeous. We're just going to use 4 of them. And we're just going to cut them into that size pieces just like that and just put them in a bowl. And that's enough potatoes for 2 people. Now to this, what I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Now I've been getting lots of questions and everything from viewers about olive oil. I use olive oil because that's what I use in a regular oven. If I was going to go use the grill function at a higher temp, then I would go ahead and use the avocado oil. But I'm using the same recipes that I would use in a traditional oven that I would use in the grill. So I added a little bit of olive oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Maybe like a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add black pepper. Maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also going to be adding some rosemary. Now rosemary dried in its dried form is very powerful. I'm just going to add maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, and that smells wonderful. We're also going to take a little bit of thyme. Just taking it out of my hand, maybe that much right there. That's maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon. And just crinkle it between your fingers, and you're going to go ahead and add it. And that's all I'm adding to my potatoes. And you're just going to stir them with the oil. And once the Ninja Foodi is preheated, we're going to be adding our potatoes first. Ninja Foodi Grill is preheated. We're going to go ahead and raise the lid. And we're just going to go ahead and add those potatoes right to the basket. And we're going to go ahead and lower the lid. We know that the potatoes take the longest amount of time to cook. These will take anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. The fish will take about 12 minutes, and the asparagus should take anywhere between 7 and 9 minutes. It depends on the thickness. These are a bit thicker than what I usually use, so I'm going to opt on 9 minutes for the asparagus. Now I am going to come over here. We're going to increase the time. I'm just going to increase it to 20 minutes because that's all the time that we should need. I am going to come back in 5 minutes, toss the potatoes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get the asparagus ready. I'm keeping them in the long spears. Doesn't really fit in this bowl, but we're going to make it work because I don't want to dirty another dish. Now all I do for my roasted asparagus, I add some pepper, maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and also maybe like a 1/4 to a half a teaspoon of salt. And there should be enough oil left over from the potatoes, but I am going to take a little bit of olive oil and just add a little bit more. And you can take a bowl, not a bowl, you can take a spatula and mix these up. I'm just going to rub it in just like this. Take the ends. And yes, just so we don't have to dirty another bowl. There, the flavor will be down at the tips. Beautiful. And all I'm going to do is set this bowl aside. Next up is the fish. The fish, we're going to do it the same way that we did it the other day. Let me separate these just a bit. I'm just taking Old Bay because Old Bay it's terrific. Now with this Old Bay, you could have added Old Bay to the potatoes, but I opted to have like a separate flavor for the potatoes tonight. Just gonna add a little Old Bay to this sockeye salmon. This salmon is delicious. Delicious. Ugh, can't talk. Beautiful. Now we're all set, and we still have a few more minutes before we have to get in there and look at the potatoes. All right, so we have 13 minutes left on the clock. Just coming in and giving these potatoes a turn. And I'm just gonna push these off to one side. I'm gonna push them over here because they're gonna continue to cook. Now we have 13 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fish in. Now this fish is not very thick, but my aunt and I like our salmon well done. So this should take about 13 minutes for our liking. If you like your fish cooked to I'm just gonna shut the lid. If you like your fish cooked to like 130, this sockeye salmon should probably be done in like 9 or 10 minutes. We have about, well, I'm not gonna lie, it's 7 minutes and 40 seconds. I am gonna go ahead and place the asparagus in here. Just gonna push these potatoes over to the side. And, well, yeah, let's just throw the asparagus right in there. And close the lid. Dinner is done. We are going to temp everything just to make sure everything is done like how we like it. Yes, the fish is done. Potatoes are done. And the asparagus is done. So dinner in less than 20 minutes. Well, cook time. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. Okay, we're going to plate this up and Aunt Ruthie's going to do that taste test again. All right, Aunt's is holding a beautiful meal. Tilt it just a bit. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right, let me zoom back out on her. Maybe. There we go. Okay, go ahead, grab a fork, Aunt Ruth.
It's just too beautiful to eat. Am I still on there?
Yeah, you're still on there.
And 20 minutes. That's
Hold on a second. Here.
mind-boggling.
Go ahead and say that again.
20 minutes only. It's just mind-boggling, I'm telling you. A meal like this. Oh.
Now your basket's in my way. Okay, let's see how she likes it.
I don't know which to eat first. I haven't had a potato in a long time. I think I'll try a potato. I don't have time or don't take time to cook them.
No, she doesn't. You barely ate it. Does it taste any good? Is there enough salt?
Perfect. Perfect. Oh, they are so good.
I don't know. No, move on to the fish.
Okay.
She knows the fish is good because we've had this.
I know that
before, but just wanted to make sure it's
such a healthy dinner.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it's super. The grill is great for like 1 to 2 people to make these meals. For a family, you'd be pushing it. I'm not sure if you can get 4. I don't think you can get 4 salmon fillets in there with the potatoes and everything else. But I can say the grill is great for 1 to 2 people for complete meals. Fantastic and great.
I can't wait for my class in September.
She wants me to come back in September. She wants to get a grill and she wants me to come back to Vegas and teach her how to use it. Moving on to the asparagus. Just pick it up and eat it with your fingers. Live on the edge, Ants.
That's the way I usually do it.
Okay, she's living on the edge. Yes. Look at this.
Oh, that is very good.
See? Shocking. See, she was just making that up before.
Roasting is very good.
Yeah, the roasted asparagus is fabulous.
What's on it?
Just olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all you need.
Oh.
That's it. And cooking the asparagus this way, we like a little crunch left to our veg. It's just us. If you want it cooked longer, just add it earlier. We added it at what, the 7:49, 7 minutes and 49 seconds, I think.
I like a crunch to it.
Yeah.
Oh, Lisa, it's delicious.
All right. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out over in the Facebook group page, Pressure Crisp, Ninja Foodi, and Ninja Foodi Grill. Ants, do you want to say see us so long?
I want to say so long, but first I want to say that Old Bay on the fish is delicious.
Yeah, and wait till you try. I'm going to have a quick video coming out soon where you put Old Bay on potatoes. Fantastic. And no, it really is. It's an excellent snack, late night snack. I know it's not the best or healthy for you because it's potatoes and carbs, but it's so good. All right, we're going to sign off.
Bye.